Okay, so wheel picks how many items I wear on Dress to Impress. Let's do this challenge and let's spin the wheel. It's today's video, and in this video I'll show you how you can do this challenge. No, I have to wear 15 items. Okay, for a teddy bear, like, okay. First, I'm going to go to the... Actually, we're going to go with the darker tone for this one, for the teddy bear. Okay, nails don't count, but I wish they do. I mean, like... One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Oh my god, I don't have time. Like, y'all. Okay, I'm just gonna add like a bunch of like skirts we're layering. And color it all the same because I don't know what to do. Okay, that's 10. 11. Maybe like add a belt. Let's add a belt. Let's add a belt. 12. 12. Okay, like this, maybe 13. Y'all, I don't have time. I'm sorry. Maybe like a crown? No. Okay, maybe like earrings? Can't see it. I mean, I'm adding items. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I think I got like, what, 13, 14 items? And here is my outfit. Okay, kind of cute, but I don't think I'm gonna get anything. Alright, and let's see the final result. Oh my god, I can't deal with this. Okay, I didn't get podium, of course, because my outfit sucked, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.